Hi guys, how are you? So in today's video, I will create header and footer blocks of your site. Elementor header and footer builder. Okay. So have you a minute? You could create your website header and footer with Elementor for free. Elementor header and footer builder is simple yet powerful WordPress plugin that allow you to create a layout with Elementor and set is a header footer blog anywhere on the website. Okay, so there are tons of big display location, create, okay, add blocks. So in this video we will create header and footer of any website through WordPress Elementor. So that is much easy, and we have a website. We will be easily create a header and footer through Elementor page builder. Okay, so let's guys, I'm now started the exam control, start it, and then go to localhost. Okay, now I log in here. Okay, so from here we will go to WordPress dashboard, and if I click on the visit site, you will see a website. This is the website I created in WordPress. Okay, you can see there is this is the header, and below is the footer. Okay, so now we will come here, and now we visit here, install add new plugin. I already install header and footer, header and footer, header and footer. Okay, footer. Okay, this is I already installed it. You will see it now. This is actually, so I already installed Elementor header and footer builder. Okay, this is, I install it and then activate it. So now you will see that go to themes, appearance, and Elementor header and footer. So now I will add new, click on add new, and put here header, and here we'll select header, and then go here, put it on any entire website, select roles all, and enable layout for Elementor canvas template. Okay, yes, and publish, click on publish. Now after publishing, we will edit it with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so it is very easy and simple. You can easily edit, create header and footer of any WordPress website with Elementor. Just do a little bit of practice. Now it will, so as you can see, that's happening now. Now if I refresh the websites, you can see what is happening. Nothing is here. As we enable it, now you can get the header from here too. Blocks, wait, and click on blocks. So now guys, you can also get your header and footer here ready-made, but it's only available for paid version. If let me get it here, blocks. Now I will get the header option here too. but if not, you can create one of yourself. Sorry, so let's create a custom header. Now if I click here and put just here, wait, so here now to create a custom header, click on this, save it, and now after saving it, let's go here, click on here, and I want to install. Okay, so from here I will put pre-made or anything, any sample, any sample thing, insert media. So let's update it and this will be called a header, how to create it. And now click on navigation bar, navigation page, navigation. Okay, let's try this. Okay, now here we should put now save it, click on save it, and now this will be called a header. This is how to social media. Okay, social, okay, social icon, just drag and drop. This is now to say save it. Now the sample work is that. Let's save it. Okay, now use some time. Okay, save it. It's depend on you how to set it, so that you can also add some other TikTok, any. Okay, this is the header. Now if I refresh the page again, we see that header. Okay, header is created here. Now wait for footer. This is how we create a header menu. Okay, you can do more things with this if you click here, like to horizontal fading or animation, or if we should hover over. Okay, let's hover over. What to do? Hover over, it can pop up, like it will pop up. Okay, you can do anything with that. Shrink, it will be shrink. That's the more setting. Okay, bounce it, pop up, it is depend on, okay, what you do aside. You can do anything, give them any style, anything. Okay, so let's now this is the header. Okay, header, it's well, you will do anything with it. This is the header we create with the Elementor page builder, header and folder. Active. Now let's go some simple. Let's okay, advanced. What there in advanced, like to we can position here our background. Okay, hover over background, that's the color. We can give some color. Okay, anything that's depend on. You can give any type of color. Okay, so this you can do more things. This packing response. Okay, now go back already create a header. Now I will go back and next thing I choose to create a footer. Go to appearance once again, click on Elementor header and footer building, and here to add, we already add header. Now to add footer, FOOTER footer, and this is the easy process. Select footer. Okay, now display on entire website, and under all rows given, select this, click on publish. Do practice with me. It's easy how to create a header and footer with header and footer page, Elementor page builder. Okay, now edit with Elementor. Now if you have prepared, you will be able to do that, but that's such a very easy process how to do that, how to create header and footer. Okay, as you can see, we have already a header, and now we will select 3 section and click save, update. Now click on page. Okay, page. Okay, page. What has happened? Yeah. Okay, save it and put some text here to like to here. Click on this, and here if you have logo, then put them. I don't have logo, but I want to put that things here, insert that media and update it. Okay, also it depends on you how what you put that in footer. Then let me put some text editor. Okay, let me a simple text. Okay, text editor. Maybe in future we should write something here, update that. If you write something now, from here we will create a menu or button or anything else you can, or a video, some useful links, or maybe put a login, testimony, review, slide. Let's put here you can put important link, but navigation. Let's put a navigation menu, that menu. Okay, now this is the menu. Update it, but we'll put that menu in from a style, given the some style. The style would be horizontal or anything else. Motion effect, you can do anything with that. Mask. Okay, style would be link effect, however. Okay, you can do anything with that border type. Okay, leave it. Now here we should put a Google map, that will be called a footer. You can create more any beautiful than this, more beautiful pre-made. You can put here more beautiful. Okay, now keep update it. Okay, look at this, look very simple. You can search your own location And now if I refresh it here, so how our header and footer look. This is our header, and you can make it more beautiful, and that's our footer. Okay, the footer is so ugly, but you can create more beautiful than this. It's just a tutorial. Okay, so that is wait a little bit. You can do a vertical line. Layout horizontal, it should be vertical. Okay, it will be vertical now. Look at this, it's vertical. Now this menu is now vertical. You can set a little bit here to between. So this is how to create header and footer. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll bring more excitement video like this. Now see it. This is the footer, and that is the footer. Okay, so thank you, and see you with another video very soon.